Yeah. Now we have the king of the castle. I don't even know. Oh, how am I gonna fight this dude? Dude is crazy. Dude acted like he ran the place. Oh shit, we have the final boss up here. It's fucking Luther. Yo, listen, bro, I don't want no problems. I really don't. I don't want no problems, bro. I don't even know how I got past these dudes. Let me see what we got here. What's 3, 4? Okay. Man, this place is nuts. Yeah, so this is my first full day. I'm just out here at night. It's my first time walking around here at nighttime. And yeah, being alone is definitely a different vibe. I'll tell you that. Like, I was out with the girls yesterday. Honestly, it already feels like 2 days ago. But it feels different. It feels different than like being with people. Like being alone is like, okay, I'm really out here alone. But nevertheless, let's see how it rolls. Going to grab some food, and I actually have about 0 contacts. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the lights, the architecture. It's a very nice compliment. Almost makes the buildings look like it's glowing. I noticed they still have a lot of like American culture. Like they still like play a lot of like American music. Yo, this is the park I wanted to go through. I saw this on the map and it looked pretty cool. You could just tell, yo, sometimes you look on the map and you're like, damn, yeah, that shit's probably just gonna be cool as fuck. Yeah, I knew it. Low key, I wanted to go to the same district I was in yesterday. I found it. I kind of had a guide before, now I don't. Damn, it's a long ass street. Central Baku. But like, yo, look at this fountain, like. And then look at it, is this the museum restaurant? Yo. Got a museum restaurant. I remember last night I thought that was real. I'm fucking cooked. Look at this. Dude, it's like 8 o'clock and it's like so live. So live here. Everyone's like outside, eating, shopping. Yeah. You know, before coming here, I couldn't imagine what it really looked like. I've only looked at like maybe like 1 or 2 things. Notice something about her. Not too many homeless people. Seriously. There's really not. I mean, look at this. Incredible infrastructure. Dude, like, look at this. The detail of these structures in the other countries are like insane. Birdhouse? Came across these pretty neat cars. Looks like some nightlife or something over here. Afford to smoke cigs out here. Bro, I just got this shit for like 50 cents in Azerbaijani coins, which is like, I'm gonna guess. It's like 30 cents. I'm gonna guess. It's gonna be like 30 cents. I'm I'm gonna guess. 30 cents. Yo, look how close. Look how close. I was so close, yo. One weird thing, I might be like autistic or something, but I can pick up and understand like currency so well in other countries for some reason. But yeah, I'm gonna smoke this shit. I gotta find a lighter. That's a vibe. Dude's got that shit on though. You got a lighter? Oh. Fucking hell. Look at a cat. Meow. Damn, they got the Persian rugs. Yo, I can't wait to smoke some shisha. No idea where I'm going, but I'm gonna get a lighter. It's one thing I do. I finally got the cigarette lit. This guy helped me. He had the cigarette, so I lit the. I just met that guy, and he's like, "Yeah, you want to go to the club?" He's like, "Let me know." Like pretty much like invited me out with him. He's like, "I'll come pick you up." It's a cool little street. Whoop. Yo, a lot of people are trying to sell me shit. A guy just came up to me a minute ago, trying to get me to do the happy ending, the sex shop and shit. No. Yeah, and like me, I'm organic. I'm all organic. I love just like meeting people and like having a good experience. I don't like to really like pay for an experience, if you know what I mean. That's why I like to do like a lot of local stuff. Meet a lot of local people and do it like that. Not like meet people and like pay for anything. It's not my thing.